Bybit, one of the world's top 3 crypto exchanges by volume, offers a suite of powerful tools designed to meet the needs of both beginner and seasoned traders. In this video, we will take a look at some of these tools, including the charting tools, and how to use them effectively to enhance your trading experience. But before we get started, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. For those who may not know, you have to create and maintain a Bybit account to access the platform services. Now, Bybit is a platform where you can trade cryptocurrencies like BTC and ETH, and the platform's referral codes are special promo codes you can use when signing up for this cryptocurrency exchange. By using my Bybit referral code, B5QJY or 18499, you'll get 20% off on all your trading rates on the exchange. I will include the referral code in the description below. Once again, by using my referral code, you will receive an additional 20% off your trading fees, which can lead to significant savings. Now, the trading interface on the Bybit app serves as your central command center, which provides a comprehensive workspace for executing trades, analyzing markets, and managing your positions. This intuitive interface is designed to offer essential information for making informed decisions. Within this interface, the interactive trading chart delivers real-time price data and can be customized with various technical indicators. You can adjust time frames, incorporate moving averages, and draw trend lines to analyze market trends effectively. In addition, the order book displays current buy and sell orders, offering insight into market sentiment and liquidity, which is vital for anticipating price movements. You can also manage your active positions and orders directly from the interface, allowing you to modify, cancel, or close positions without navigating away from the chart, thereby streamlining your trading experience. Apart from the trading interface, Bybit provides a range of order types that enhance your trading flexibility. Market orders allow you to buy or sell instantly at the current market price, making them perfect for quick entries or exits when timing is crucial. If you prefer a more strategic approach, limit orders enable you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell, ensuring your order executes only when the market reaches your desired level. For those looking to take their trading to the next level, conditional orders are a valuable tool. They let you set specific conditions for your order placement, such as a trigger price that, once reached, will automatically execute a market or limit order. This feature is particularly helpful for implementing stop-loss or take-profit strategies. As you begin your trading journey, it's a good idea to start with the market and limit orders to build your confidence before exploring conditional orders. Moving on, one of Bybit's standout features is leverage trading, which lets you trade with more capital than you possess. With leverage options of up to 100 times on certain contracts, you can control a much larger position with a smaller amount of your own funds. Bybit also gives you the flexibility to choose between cross and isolated margin modes. Cross margin shares all your account balance across all open positions, while isolated margin restricts risk just to the margin allocated for a specific position. As a beginner, it's wise to start with lower leverage to minimize the risk of significant losses. Additionally, always remember to set stop-loss orders to protect your capital and manage your risk effectively. Bybit also offers powerful charting tools that are designed to help you analyze market trends and enhance your trading decisions. Fully integrated into the app, these tools range from basic line charts to more intricate candlestick patterns that provide you with a comprehensive view of the market. Candlestick charts, for example, display detailed price action, with each candle representing open, close, high, and low prices during a set time frame. This format is particularly useful for identifying trends and potential reversals in the market. Technical indicators such as RSI, MACD, and moving averages can be directly added to your chart for enhanced analysis. RSI is crucial for determining whether an asset is overbought or oversold, helping you identify potential buy or sell opportunities. MACD, on the other hand, is great for identifying trend direction and potential momentum shifts, while moving averages help smooth out price data to better spot trends over time. These indicators are essential for identifying market momentum, trend strength, and possible reversal points, allowing you to make more informed trading decisions. In addition to these indicators, Bybit offers an array of drawing tools that enable you to manually plot key levels on your chart. For example, You can draw trend lines to visually represent the direction of the market or highlight support and resistance levels, which are critical areas where price is likely to stall or reverse. Fibonacci retracements can also be drawn to predict potential pullbacks or continuation points in trending markets. These features are vital for technical traders who rely on chart patterns to time their entries and exits effectively. To make the most of these charting capabilities, it's beneficial to experiment with different indicators and tools to discover what aligns best with your trading style. Bybit's suite of tools empowers both novice and experienced traders to navigate the cryptocurrency market with confidence and precision. By effectively utilizing these features, you can enhance your trading experience and make more informed decisions to optimize your success on the platform. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to use my referral code to enjoy 20% off your trading fees on the platform. Once again, I will leave the code in the description below. If you're yet to subscribe, be sure to do that now because there are more tutorials on the way.